Are you looking to boost your income and make money online? Look no further than Invincible Marketer, Online Income Strategies. In today's digital age, there are endless opportunities to earn money online. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking to make some extra cash, Invincible Marketer has the tools and resources you need to succeed. Our platform offers a wide range of income strategies, from affiliate marketing to e-commerce, dropshipping, and more. We provide step-by-step guides, training materials, and support to help you navigate the world of online income. With Invincible Marketer, you'll learn how to set financial goals, track your income streams, and optimize your earnings. We'll show you how to leverage social media, SEO, and other digital marketing tactics to grow your online presence and reach a wider audience. And the best part? You can start making money right away with our proven strategies. No more waiting for a paycheck. With Invincible Marketer, the possibilities are endless. Ready to take control of your financial future? Sign up for Invincible Marketer, Online Income Strategies today and start your journey to financial freedom. Let's make money online together.